Nauryz celebrations. Last weekend, I went to the Nauryz celebrations in Astana. I had such a great time. The weather was perfect, so a lot of people were there. Nauryz is a celebration of the new year, which people in Kazakhstan celebrate when the spring arrives. These celebrations start on the 21st of March every year and last for 3 days. This is a special holiday in the country. During the celebrations, people sing and dance, dress up, visit friends and family, and take part in fun games. At the festival last weekend, there was a lot of live traditional music. Some great singers performed. My favourite was Makpal Zunusova. She was fantastic. There were also fairground rides, games and theatre plays in the streets. It was like a big party. There were food stalls all through the centre of Astana. I got some special soup called Nauryz kohye in the city square. It was delicious. Kazakhs believe that this soup brings good health and luck for the year ahead. I had an amazing time at the Nauryz celebrations. Everything was perfect. I can't wait to join in the fun again next year.